Hello everyone, I am Vidhi Bhatia, lecturer in Computer Science at SS Jain Subodh PG Mahila Mahavidyalay, Rambagh, Jaipur. This video series is about SQL and SQL Star Plus. The full form of SQL is Structured Query Language. First of all, install Oracle in your system, then click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on Oracle or Home 92, then on Application Development, right click on SQL Plus, click on Send to, click on Desktop Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut on your desktop. Double click on it, specify the default username as Scott and the default password as Tiger, and then click on OK button. This will open an environment of Oracle SQL Star Plus in front of you. We can run SQL queries over here, but it is good that we learn some commands of SQL Star Plus which will make easy to use SQL on it. Let us start with the first command, describe. The three commonly default tables or relations provided by Oracle are EMP, DEPT, and cell grade. By using describe command of SQL Star Plus, we can see the structure of these default relations. Type describe, give a space, and type the relation name and then press enter key. Note the structure of EMP table. These are the attributes of EMP table with the data type and size in the parenthesis. The next default table is DEPT. The attributes of DPT are DPTNO, DNAME, location with the data types number, varchar2 and the sizes 2, 14 and 13. The next default table is cell grade. Here structure of cell grade table gets displayed. As I told you, describe is a SQL Star Plus command. 2 points are to be noted here. We can abbreviate the command describe with DESC. See, the results are same, so we can use DESC instead of describe. And the second point to be noted is there is no need to put semicolon at the end of any command. We may put the semicolon or we may not put the semicolon, but the semicolon is compulsory to put in the SQL commands. The next set of commands of SQL Star Plus are copy and paste. There are two methods of copy and paste, of doing copy and paste. The first method is select the line you want to copy. Note the cursor will blink in front of SQL prompt. Press Ctrl plus C and then press Ctrl plus V and then press enter key. The next method is select the command you want to copy but do not release the left button mouse and just click on the right button simultaneously. The query will automatically copied and get displayed. Press enter to run. The next set of command is edit or ed. Suppose I type select enm comma dptno from. Here I realize that I have done a mistake in typing the name of ename. So I am trying to correct the spelling by clicking on it, but I cannot change the spelling. Thus I simply press enter key and then semicolon. This will generate an error. See, the error is displayed on the screen. Now I can use edit command to rectify the mistake. I can use ed or edit and then simply press enter key. Now I can easily rectify the mistake ename And now I have two options. Either I can click on file and save and then click on exit, or I simply click on the close button and then press the yes. Then the query is displayed over here, but one mistake from EMP is left. So I typed over here EMP, then I put semicolon, and the result will display it over here. The next command of SQL Star Plus is run command. Run and then press enter. This will run the last query in the buffer. I can either use the / for run command. Means / is the replacement for the run command. I can either use run or either you can use the slash. Now the fifth command is save command. To learn the save command, let us minimize the screen and create a folder with the name SQL files with the no spaces in the name. Then again minimize this window. Click on Oracle SQL Star Plus. Then run a query. Select ename, cell, dptno from emp where dptno equals to 10. So if I want to save this query for my future reference, I can use the save command. Save, then give a space. Then you have to specify the path. /SQL files, SQL files, then slash, give a name to the file, try, and the most important thing is we have to give the extension .sql. If I give the extension .txt, it will not become a file of SQL. Then press enter. The message appears created file /SQL files try with the name try.sql. Let us check the file in the folder SQL files, and we can notice that our file try with the SQL file is displayed on the in the folder SQL files. Now the next SQL Star Plus command is exit. Exit is used to close the window of SQL Plus. So let us reopen the SQL Star Plus window by again specifying the username Scott and Tiger to use the next command of SQL Star Plus. Suppose I want to open the file try.sql later on. So I have to use the get command, type get, give a space, and then give complete path. /SQL files and then try.sql and then press enter. The query in the file try.sql displayed in front of us. We can use run command or slash command to see the results. And I am typing exit command again to close the window. Now I would like to summarize the commands we learned. Describe command is used to display the structure. Copy and paste to copying or paste the queries or command. Edit command to open query in Notepad from the buffer. Run command to run the query from a buffer, save command to save the queries on the disk, get command to open the query files from the disk, and exit command to close the window. Thank you so much. See you again in the next series.